In this video, I'll show you how to adjust Spotify's audio settings. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. Open Spotify, then go to your library. Then you're gonna tap on your picture on the left, and you're gonna go to Settings and Privacy. Then you're gonna tap on Audio Quality, and if you have it set in automatic, go ahead and change it to high or very high. Otherwise, Spotify will change the quality of your songs at any time. Then you're gonna scroll down a bit, and when you see Auto Adjust Quality, you're gonna turn it off. This will stop Spotify for downgrading your audio. Now you're gonna go back to your settings, and you're gonna tap on Playback. Then scroll down and tap on Equalizer, and you're gonna set Equalizer Off, or you're gonna set it to Flat. Custom EQ settings can change how your music was meant to sound. And that's it. Now you're gonna get the best experience while you're listening to your songs in Spotify. Hope that helps.